Hi, Iman here. I'm happy to meet you again in one of our Revit tips and tricks of the week. Today I would like to talk about rooms. How can we create them? Why should we create them? And how can we represent them in different ways using Revit? This is my ground floor plan, as you can see. This is ground floor. And if you would like to keep this floor as it is, so you need to keep all the dimensions, you would like to keep all the grid lines, everything there, but you need a new one for room, so you can just turn off the dimensions and turn off the grid or the grid lines here. So let's create a new view. I will right click here. I will select duplicate view, and from duplicate we need to have duplicate only, not with detailing, because I don't care about dimensions in the new view, so I will select duplicate. This is the new view, and for now you can turn off the grid. Click the grid, right click, select hide in view the whole category, not the element, so everything or every available grid line in this view will be hidden, it will not be there. Now it's time to create the room. Room is here. This is the icon. And room is an architecture element. Room element here is a way to measure and to collect some architectural data, such as the area of the place, for instance. Once you click here, you will be able to place rooms. And if you would like to place a room and you need the room tag as well, so please keep this option on. Let me add some rooms. Maybe I would like to start with here. One. Okay. Second one is here. Maybe third one is here. Then here. Another one here. You can see that this plan is not complete. I mean, we just need to add other doors and windows. It's not complete, but it's a good to start with. So let me place that here, here, and here. And then I will just right click to say cancel, or I'll select a modify arrow here to stop working with rooms. These are the rooms and these are the room tags. We added the room, as you can see, but all the names are similar. So in the next step, you will see how to rename the room and how to color them and have a color scheme, then how to create a schedule to collect the room data. This will be in the next step. So thank you for now, and see you in the next step about rooms. Thank you.